So I'll be showing you how to turn quick capture on or off on your GoPro Hero 12. Quick capture is basically the feature that allows you to press the shutter button that will turn the camera on and start recording immediately. So let me show you. So let me turn off the GoPro Hero 12. So with quick capture enabled, simply press the shutter button. That turns on the camera and starts recording immediately. And when you press it again, it's gonna save the recording and turn off the camera. So let me show you how to enable and disable that feature. So let me power on the camera. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, and then this rabbit icon here is the quick capture button. So if you tap on it, we have now turned quick capture off, and tapping on it again when it's blue and it says quick capture on, you've now enabled quick capture. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.